name is Yariv Newman. I'm a concept designer and art director for Pitch Dev Studios, and I've been using ZBrush since my 7th term at Art Center. That was circa 2005, 2006. And it's come a long way since then. The freedom to play. And that's what every artist really enjoys, is that moment where he just has fun with his work and it's not frustrating. Like, that's what ZBrush allows us to get to that part of the process much sooner, much further along. And every single feature that they've added since I've been using it has always been about how can we make this an enjoyable process to create art, to create 3D models. And it set the bar very high for that every application that I've seen, therefore on out, has been about how do they put the artist first, how do they put that creative process first and that technical process second. And ZBrush has achieved that in a very short amount of time. And I look forward to seeing the next 20 years of ZBrush. Thank you so much. And I hope you guys are enjoying your 2023 ZBrush Summit.